In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run BigQuery to Metabase 2026, step by step. We're connecting Google BigQuery to Metabase so you can explore data, ask questions, and build dashboards without leaving your analytics workspace. Before you begin, make sure you can sign in to your Metabase workspace with the ability to add data and that you have valid BigQuery access provided by your administrator. Having your project details and approved credentials handy will make this smooth. Start by opening Metabase and signing in. From the home page, you'll see an option to add a data source. That's the entry point for bringing your warehouse into Metabase. If your home page looks a bit different, you can also find the same option in the admin area under databases. The goal is simply to reach the screen where you can register a new database connection. On the data source screen, you'll see a list of database types. Choose BigQuery. This tells Metabase you're connecting to Google's Cloud Data Warehouse, and it will load the field specific to BigQuery. Depending on your Metabase version, you might see wording that references the BigQuery connector or Cloud SDK, but either way, you're headed to the same configuration form. Next, proceed to add a database. Metabase will prompt you for the required information. Give the connection a clear display name so teammates recognize it later. Enter your Google Cloud Project ID exactly as it appears in your Cloud console. If you know you only need certain datasets, you can specify them here to speed up syncing and keep the catalog tidy. Otherwise, leave it broad and Metabase can index more of your project. For authentication, use the credentials your organization provides for BigQuery access. Many teams use a service account key JSON, while others rely on environment-based or managed credentials. Choose the option that matches your setup and keep the principle of least privilege in mind so only the necessary data is accessible. If your BigQuery data resides in a specific location, select the appropriate processing location to avoid region mismatches. Before saving, review advanced options like sync and scan schedules. Allowing Metabase to periodically sync schema and field values helps power better filters and faster search. When everything looks right, save the connection. Metabase will test the details and begin an initial sync. Give it a moment. Large projects can take a bit to index. Once the connection